What's up guys, Matt here and welcome to another tech video. Albeit I haven't done one of these in a while, but this is a pretty exciting one. It's the new FNATIC Ministreak Mini, and it is a great 10 keyless budget keyboard under $100 that also offers mechanical switches, which are in this case red, as well as an aluminum build and RGB. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on if you haven't already, so you can see when my next videos are being dropped and get those sent right to your phone or whatever device, I guess, if you're not on the phone game. So in the unboxing here, as you can see, we got a few basic things. We put the keyboard off to the side. Right here we have a little book, and this thing was thick. This is a dictionary of essentially every language that there is in the world, with approximately 2 pages of material on them for each. So it's essentially showing you, plug in your USB-C, plug in your USB-A, bada bing, bada boom, download our software, and you're good to go off to the races. Right here is a really unique thing. It's a leather wrist rest. So it's faux leather, but it does feel like a nice premium quality padded leather. Something that you might see in a steering wheel of maybe an Audi or BMW, something like that. And again, here's the USB-C to A cable. So moving along to the actual keyboard, let's check it out. So you'll notice that you do have, a lot of space saved on your desk if you're coming from a full-size keyboard with this one. Again, this is Cherry MX Red, so you can rip the good old cheap ABS single shot plastic keycaps and change those out to anything of your choice. So you can really customize this one, and all for $100 again, really good deal. And overall in my setup, as you can see here, it looks great. Let's do a typing test. Alright, so overall, for $100, is this a good keyboard? Absolutely yes. I would say it definitely took me a bit to get used to if you're coming from the blues, but the red switches are silent, great for streaming, and again, at $99, how can you beat it? But I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing and quick first impressions. As always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. This has been Matt. Peace.